Hey team, so I've just checked in to the Painswick in the Cotswolds. I've just driven 2 hours from Milton Keynes and I'm here for the night. I'm meeting my friend Anastasia. We're here for dinner, spa treatment and just to experience the hotel really, and then tomorrow we're going to go for a little wander into the Cotswolds. I am in shock at this room, like it is amazing. We're right in the attic and we've got a roll top bath. The place is amazing. They've even left us little socks so that we can get cosy later, have a gossip and watch some TV. So yeah, I'm super excited to be here. I'm gonna have to get ready now though because I'm going off to spa treatment in a minute. Having a facial and massage all at the same time. Super excited for that after a couple of hours in the car and a stressful week at work. So yeah, I will film a little bit of where I'm staying, our room, the hotel, but basically it's beautiful, so I can't wait to show you. Just got out of my massage and it was amazing. The lady was so good at what she was doing. She gave me an incredible facial using all these different products, and I came out and I feel super refreshed. I've even just had a bath as well, and it's not even 6 PM yet, so yeah, I'm going to start getting ready now for dinner, straighten my hair and get dressed, and then we're going to go downstairs for some drinks. I've just checked out of the Painswick. We had a lovely evening, went for dinner, had some drinks, had some wine, and we've now come to Rococo Gardens just around the corner from the hotel to have a little look, and it looks really cool. There's some cool flowers and buildings, so I'll show you what's around. We've just walked up the hill and ended up in Pigeon House, and it's so cool. I'll show you around. So we've just arrived in Cirencester, and me and Anastasia are going to go for a little wander, have a look at some of the cute shops, get some lunch, probably go to Coat Brasserie, and then yeah, we're going to head home. So we've had a lovely weekend in the Cotswolds. Painswick was amazing. 100% recommend that hotel if you want a weekend in the Cotswolds, whatever you decide to do during the day. It's a great base to head off to explore. So yeah, I will see you soon. My next vlog will be Italy, because we're off to Italy next weekend to go wedding venue shopping, so to view some wedding venues because we want to get married in Italy next year. So that one will be an interesting one, so make sure you subscribe down below, show this some love, give it a like, and yeah, come back next week to see what we're up to in Italy.